It's sort of funny. A lot of people find me either through YouTube or other online media and will basically sign up for surgery, sometimes sight unseen, looking for FaceTite. And when push comes to shove and the surgery day arrives and we're doing consent forms and this and that, you have no idea how many patients will say, well, wait a minute, I didn't know we were doing liposuction. So if you or somebody you know is interested in the FaceTite procedure and want to know exactly what it is and don't want any surprises, make sure you stay tuned. Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Jonathan Zelken, a board-certified plastic surgeon in Newport Beach, California. Sunny all year long, but sometimes it's a little chilly like this morning. Today I want to talk about the nuances and the ins and outs and really what to expect during the FaceTite procedure. The FaceTite procedure is so much more than just FaceTite, and I'm going to get into that in a second. But today I'm going to walk you through a pretty typical patient who is undergoing both FaceTite and buccal fat pad removal so you understand what to expect. I am fully aware that this video may scare some prospective patients away, but I think transparency is key. So if you are really interested in the results that you've seen in this procedure but don't really want to see what's involved with it, make sure to go ahead and turn this video off now. For those of you who are okay with just a little bit of graphic content, I encourage you to stay tuned. So in this video, again, we are taking care of a very special young woman who was gracious enough to let us film her procedure and basically chronicle her experience for the purposes of telling you exactly what the FaceTite procedure and buccal fat pad removal combination entails. So the procedure is a well-orchestrated dance, if you will, and we work really hard not only to make this an efficient procedure, but also incredibly pleasant for the patient. So they're numb and they're at ease. We give oral sedation prior to the procedure and numb up certain areas, including the buccal fat pads, prior to coming into the OR. Once we're there, we start to numb up the beard distribution of the face with tumescent solution, which includes numbing. While that takes effect, I then go back to the already numb buccal fat pads and perform this aspect of the operation first. This is a nice psychological hurdle for the patient to overcome, because once this is done, the rest to the patient seems kind of like cakewalk. This is the part that, seems perhaps the scariest to some. So once the buccal fat removal portion of the case is complete, all gloves are changed and we re-prep the field and we turn our attention towards the so-called FaceTite procedure. And FaceTite begins with a probe, a wand, to heat up the subcutaneous tissues of the face to a very warm level. And the patient's going to hear snapping, crackling, and popping, which is almost gratifying. It's gratifying to us as the providers as it is to the patient, because they can actually hear work being done. And it's a relatively atraumatic and not very violent procedure, and this precedes the liposculpture portion of the face. I prefer to use manual liposculpture using my hand in thinner faces, and there's a combination of undulating motions and back and forth motions to ensure that ligamentous attachments are released and just the right amount of fat in just the right areas are released. Once this is complete, the patient is then wrapped up with a very, very elegant and deliberate facelift dressing to ensure that there's adequate and uniform compression over all the distributions. Most patients are very happy at this point and ask, is it over already? So as you can see here, the results of a procedure like this manifest and really sort of show themselves at around 4 to 6 months. At this point, you really see nice enhancements in jawline definition, contour, and an overall thinning of the face without a drastic change to one's appearance. This lady is a wonderful candidate for this procedure because she had mild changes in the jowls and fullness in the cheeks that could use a little bit of refinement. But as you can see, FaceTite is nothing more than using a FaceTite brand name cannula for part of a liposuction procedure that pairs very well with buccal fat pad removal. The 3D and 2D results really show impressive changes that don't necessarily change the way you look. I hope this video helps, and I hope those of you who are interested or scheduled for the procedure will encounter no surprises after watching it. If you want to learn more about this and other procedures, please stay tuned to my channel and turn on your subscription button and notification button, and I will do my best to regularly post similar videos.